Hey guys, welcome. In this one I'm showing how to fix Slack app not opening. So if you're trying to jump into your workday, but the Slack desktop or mobile app completely refuses to open, or gets stuck on a blank loading screen, or instantly crashes the second you click it, it can halt your entire workflow. Today I'm going to show you how to force reset Slack and reset broken system files in this video. So first, Slack might actually be running silently in the background as a frozen system process, which blocks a fresh window from opening when you click the shortcut. So to clear it out, you just need to open your task manager. There you go. I use a custom one, guys. But you can just choose native. It's the same. So as you can see, I'm filtered by CPU. So if you want to go ahead and close it quickly, you can just right click and terminate. If you don't see it, just type in Slack and search. All right, so you can see we have many processes. So you just choose all of them, right click and choose terminate. And as you can see, it's now closed. Also guys, if you're on Mac, you press Option, Command and Escape to open the Force Quit menu. Select Slack and click Force Quit. And once those background tasks are killed, you can then try launching it again like this. So if forcing the app closed didn't work, a corrupted temporary system file is likely blocking the launch sequence. Alright, and if closing the app didn't work, a corrupted temporary system file is likely blocking the launch sequence. So since you can't open the app to use its built-in settings, we need to clear its cache folders manually. So guys, you just need to open up your run dialog window. So press Windows plus R, and you should get this little window right here. In here, you need to type in this kind of line of text. So percentage, app data, percentage again, slash, Slack, and press OK. All right, and in here, guys, as you can see, we'll open up this folder, and in here, you just need to select all the temporary cache folders inside and hit delete. So for example, cache, code cache, let me see what else do we have. That's pretty much it, and just delete these. Alright guys, and the last thing I'll show you, just go ahead and download this awesome app called Revo Uninstaller. In here, once you're logged in, I'll open up the app, search for Slack in search, and then go ahead and right click and choose uninstall. And guys, what this will do, you will pretty much just launch a uninstallation window for Slack. Okay. And after that, when the program gets deleted, you press on scan like this, and also delete the leftovers. As you can see, we have just registry entries and stuff like that. So just delete them, and also delete all the folders as well. So don't be afraid. This is all will be regenerated when you install Slack once again. Delete them, close the app, and then you can just open up your browser right here, and then just download Slack right here, and just reinstall it. Okay, let's install it again. Okay, right here, and launch it when ready. And now you can just sign in into your workspaces again, and you're good to go, guys. So enjoy. If this video helped, subscribe as well.